Hey there, today we're in the friendly town of Flandreau, South Dakota. We're not just showing you a home today, we're giving you a peek into a lifestyle that's all about community, comfort, and small town charm. Let's go take a look. Flandreau is one of those places that feel like home the minute you arrive. Whether it's a Friday night football game, the downtown scene, or grabbing ice cream after a summer ball game, this town brings the vibe. From the beautiful Big Sioux River to the local parks and family-owned shops, everything here is just blocks away. Schools, restaurants, and even a golf course just east of town. This isn't just about where you live, it's about how you live. And in Flandreau, it's all about knowing your neighbors, waving as you drive by, and being part of a community that actually feels like one. And now, let's talk about this sweet little home on the corner of East Broadway Avenue. It's got 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 1,200 finished square feet of cozy living space. The garage? Oh yeah, it's attached. Metal roof, keyless entry, and the door and opener were new just a few years ago. Some of the windows were also updated in the last 5 years, and the bathroom, freshly renovated. This home's got the updates you need with just the right amount of charm and potential to make it your own. And with a corner lot full of mature trees, you've got shade, privacy, and plenty of curb appeal. So if you've been dreaming of a small town life with big time charm, 212 East Broad Avenue right here in Flandreau might just be calling your name. Give me a shout and let's take a look. We're the Brookings Home Team. Thank you for watching, and be sure to follow us on all of our other social media platforms. Bye for now.